Hello and welcome to the Power Bank Expert YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the OmniCharge Omni 20 Plus Power Bank. So let's start by first removing the plastic cover. Now let's have a closer look at the box and see what information we can gather from it before actually looking inside at the products. So on the front of the box we have obviously the big power bank image of the product that we can find inside. We have the OmniCharge logo, and then the tagline of this product is power anything, anywhere. So, and then you have a bunch of example products that you can power: laptops, cameras, tablets, phones, speakers, and more. Here at the bottom side we have the capacity of the power bank, which is 20,000 mAh. The product name, this is the actual name, Omni 20 Plus, and then some more description and the types of power outputs that this power bank has. It comes with a wall socket output, which provides up to 100 watts, USB Type-C port, which provides up to 60 watts of power, DC out port, which provides 20 to 25 volts of power, then wireless charging up to 10 watts. And then here you can see that it includes a travel adapter inside, which is quite rare for a power bank to have this kind of device, and that it features 11 layers of protection. So it's a power bank that comes with multiple protection layers. Let's see the side of the box. Here's some information about the producer. Here is the product name and the tagline. We don't have nothing here. And here we have again information about the ports: AC port, DC port, USB ports, and so on. And here is the capacity again. Now looking at the back side, we have the same information about the ports that we had on the side as well. And we have a more clear picture of the product, and we can see that it comes with the wireless charging at the top. And then here's the AC port. It has an OLED display, which clearly shows how much battery capacity you have, and other information as well. And here are the other charging ports of the product, which we'll take a closer look once we get it out of the box. And here are some again examples of the devices that you can charge with this and how many charges you can expect from this power bank. So up to 10 charges for the GoPro, one charge for a laptop, and the general phone is up to 5 charges. So, and some more information about the producer here, and again what is inside the box, which is the power bank itself, charging cables, a travel adapter, and a quick start guide. So that's the information that we can see on the box. Now let's have a look inside and see the products that come with this box. So right at the top we can see the quick start guide, which is like basically the user manual, and you have all the information needed here about how to use the power bank. Here is what you need to do before you start actually using it, how to recharge it, again examples of all the items on the power bank and what they are for, some more technical details, and the details about the warranty here. And now it starts with other languages. Yeah, so basically that's the user manual. So here we have a flyer for joining the community. You can join other OmniCharge owners and, I don't know, discuss about the products and stuff like that. And now we can see all the other items in the box. Let's first have a look at the charging cables. So we have a USB Type-C charging cable, and here we have a USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable, and here we have the charging adapter, which you can use when you're traveling to properly charge your power bank. However, please notice there is no actual charger, so that is something that you will need to provide yourself. So it's only the charging adapter included, but not the actual charger itself. So now let's have a closer look at the power bank. So this is the top side of the product. Here we can see the wireless charging symbol. This is where you would place your phone and charge it wirelessly. This is the front. is the main side of the power bank. This is where all the controls are. Here we have the power button. If we press it on, then we have all the information about charging capacity. You can see here that it's charged up to 20%, and then all the input and output values. So whenever you would input a device to charge it, then you would see by how much current it will throw, and the same if you would charge the power bank itself. And here you have some buttons to activate the port. So if you want to charge via AC power, you need first to activate that port so that you could charge via this. So this is the AC power port. You can plug in devices that are compatible with this type of power bank, and you would be able to charge it via a regular power outlet. But before you would do that, you need to activate the port. And same goes for the USB as well. You would need to activate them before starting to use them. And here on this side, we have the DC input and output port. So this is a port that you could both use to charge the power bank, but other devices as well. And here's the USB Type-C input and output port. So both of them are bi-directional ports that can be used for charging the power bank itself and other devices as well. Here on the back side, we have some technical information. So clearly labeled here is the fact that the power bank has 71 watt-hour, which place it clearly under the maximum allowed capacity on flights, which is 100 watt-hour. So this is a power bank that you can safely take with you on flights. You can travel with it without any problems, which is quite good, especially for a power bank that can do so many things, that is so powerful and that can charge so many devices. And here on this side, which is the bottom, there is nothing really to see. So these are the main features that we can see on the product itself. Overall, this feels like very well put together power bank. It's built out of rubbery material that is made. It's very pleasant to touch, doesn't seem to be very much fingerprint prone, and it also seems to be quite resistant to scratches. So it seems to be a sturdy build, and I think actually that was the design concept behind this power bank. This is a more of a rugged type of power bank that you can even take with you on camping trips, and it's actually quite good for that because it's also light. To be honest, it's a bit lighter than I was expecting it to be. I thought that because of these extra features that it has, all these ports and stuff like that, I would expect it to be a little bit more on the heavy side, but it's actually surprising a little bit now that I'm holding it in my hands, and I can see that that's definitely a power bank that you could put in your backpack on a longer camping trip and you wouldn't really feel that it's there. So all in all, this is a very versatile power bank, especially because of this AC power plug here and the fact that it can deliver enough power in order to charge laptops. Not a lot of power banks are able to do that. So if you require a power bank that is very versatile, that can charge laptops and besides other items like your phone and camera and I don't know, a drone or something like that, and a product that you could also take with you on a flight without any problems, then this is definitely maybe one of the best options out there. Of course, this is a bit of a more premium build. It's not your run-of-the-mill power bank. This is a device that is very well put together, a device that has a premium quality. So of course, it's not something that is on the cheap end of the spectrum. However, given all the things that it comes with, I think that overall this is maybe one of the best buys on the market today. So if you look at it as an investment, as a product that you're going to be using for years at a time, then I think this really makes sense. So that was the OmniCharge Omni 20 Plus. Thank you for joining me today and looking forward to seeing you in one of my future videos. Thank you and goodbye.